Let us understand the concept of running total in detail. So here we're going to understand how do I calculate running total, or otherwise we also call it cumulative sum, or otherwise how do I calculate the uh, rows, or the sum of one previous and one following. How do I do that? All this we are going to see in this particular session. So consider a simple scenario where I include select category, year, total sales, sum of total sales. This has to be added, partition by categories. So now these are all the categories that I have: clothing, electronics, and furniture. So now clothings here includes 5 values. So 10, 6, 3, 7. Now here the total is 26,100, which appears across all the records. If I add, let's say, an order by, so when I say order by year, here 2021 has 3000, then 2022 includes 7100 and 10,000, so it includes 17,100, and 2023 includes 6,000. So now this is partitioning by category. Within category I can partition by year, and here also I'm ordering it by year. Now here within this, if I am looking for running total, then I say rows between unbounded preceding. Unbounded preceding. Preceding means something that's above. Unbounded preceding means take everything that's above and the current row. So here what it will do is 3,000, 7,000 plus 7,100, 10,100. Plus another 10,000, 20,100. Plus another 6,000, 26,100. So it will calculate the running total like this. Then here 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6,200. Then 15,200 plus 9,000. And so this is going to calculate like this. This is running total. I can also specify here another variation where I say current row, and that is I want everything ahead to be added. Unbounded following. Unbounded following means it will add everything that's ahead. Let's see the output for this. So when it comes to unbounded following, as you can see, it is ordered by the year in descending order. Then here I am 6,000 null. This is 6,000 7, that is 6 plus 7, 100, 13, 100. Added the previous year, added the previous year. So here I am adding everything in the descending order. So this is current row and unbounded following. Or otherwise I can also say one preceding and one following. And let me not give here order by year. Okay, there should be an order by, so I specify the order by. So here I am specifying that I want one preceding and one following result to be added. So these two get added. Here, this is the result of these three. This is the result of these three. This one is the result of this one plus this one plus this one. And if you take the last one in the category, it does not have the next one. So here clothing category gets over, so it does not have the next one, so 6,000 is the result. Here it takes one preceding, one following. Here again it takes all these three. For this one it takes all these three. For this one it takes all these three values, but for the last one it has taken these two. So this is one preceding and one following. So I can specify unbounded preceding, unbounded following, or otherwise the n preceding or n following value. And I can also specify current row. Here I can also change it to average. So now this will give me moving average. What is the moving average across these columns? So if I consider, let's say 4,000, 5,000 and 6,200, it has given me the average of 5066. These two has given me the average. So like this, I can specify running total. Running total, that is why I say unbounded preceding. That means everything else above and current row. For moving average, I can specify one preceding and one following. I can also say unbounded following, but that is little rare of a case. So these are the various ways in which I can calculate running total or moving average.